Hello guys. Today I will give you a tutorial of how to make an EDM track. I use Florida Studio 12 installed with some plugins. Let's start. We will start with making the main melody. In the main melody I made layers of instrument. The main instrument is citrus. This is how citrus sounds like. This is how attack lead from Nexus sounds like. I also made noise sound. And I also use saw init from Nexus. This is the sound when you combine it. I also use volume and cutoff automation clip at the start. This is what the lead sounds like. In the lead, I also use sound layering. I use mini-synth for the main instrument. I also use noise in the lead. And use harmless. This is what it sounds when you combine it. In this song, I use SAR for low-frequency sound with some sound design. This is what the lead sounds like for the first chorus. And of course with sound layering. In the first chorus, I add this simple beat. I use EQ for the beat to maximize the bass. I also add SFX at the first chorus. This is what the chorus looks like. For the second pre-chorus, I use mute guitars. And the lead that I used at the first pre-chorus. And of course with some volume automation clip. And again I use the SAR that I used at the first pre-chorus. Pre-chorus was basically same like the first pre-chorus. I just changed the main melody to mute guitars. The second chorus was also same as the first chorus. But the difference is melody. I also use gross beat for all of the chorus in this song. For you guys who didn't know gross beat, this is a sound without gross beat. And this is when you use gross beat. I use gross beat to all lead in this song. I also make a build-up before the drop. And again with automation clip. This is what the build-up looks like. Add the main melody I used before. At the drop, I use the same SFX. At the drop, I made all lead at a higher octave. This is what the lower octave looks like. And this is the higher octave. The main melody was also in a higher octave. This is what the main melody looks like in a higher octave. I also use porta at the main melody. And this is what it sounds like with porta. This is what it sounds like without porta. This is what the drop sounds like. I also make another main melody so the drop looks cool. These are the elements of the second main melody. In the drop, I also add the mute guitars I used before and some beats. But the mute guitars is on a higher octave. This is what the beat sounds like. At the ending I add the mute guitars. Also tempo and volume automation clip. And a sound effect. This is what the ending looks like. Thanks for watching.